Hi everyone, it's Nee here. Today I'm gonna talk about how to scrape the data to get the COVID daily report number of cases and send the message to Line messaging app. I'll show you what we want to achieve today, then I'll show you the code and then the demo. For Go today, we're gonna go to scraping data from Worldometer, and I'll use Australia as a country input. We're gonna get the number of cases here and then send the message to Line messaging app. So first step is to scraping data. Then we're gonna set up Line Notify to add the group, get the token, and then we're gonna use that token to add in Python code to send the message to Line app. Then we're gonna, if you want, you can set up the schedule task to add this, to run this script and send the message to you every day. First step, we're gonna do some scraping. To scraping, we're gonna use the WebDriver. If you use Chrome, you can download Chrome Driver. If you use Microsoft Edge, you can download Microsoft Edge Driver, and you can put it under your destination. For example, I put it under my path here, and then we're gonna need to use this path in the script as well. So after download, we're gonna install package. We're gonna use Anaconda prompt to install package. Selenium, use pip install Selenium, pip install BS4, pip install Songlai. So after install all that, then we're gonna set up Line Notify. First, you're gonna create the new group in your Line messaging app. Then you're gonna add your friend in. So first you're gonna add yourself, and the second you're gonna add Line Notify. After create a new group, then you go to Line Notify this URL. You go to click generate token. So when you click it, it will ask you which group you want to add. Then you select the group that you just add. I call it COVID bot group, so select that group, and then the token will be generated. So you copy that token, put in your Python code. I'm gonna show you next. And after that, when you run script, you're gonna receive the message to your Line messaging app, for example in this. Optionally, if you want it to run automatically every day, then you can run schedule tasks at your preferred time, depending on when the data updating. 10 o'clock Australia time would be get the update daily as well. So we're gonna call that schedule task to call cpython.exe, cpython part, and then python.exe, and then your script covid.py. I'm gonna show you the script. So once you set up everything, install the package, install the do the pip install, download the Chrome driver, then we can go to this code. So first it's gonna import the required package, Selenium, Beautiful Soup 4, and then we're gonna call the function bypassing country as do the scraping by country. So in this scraping function, we're gonna call the WebDriver to open the web page for us. The URL that is going to open is gonna be Worldometer country, and country is gonna be the one that I pass in. For example, I wanna do on a message for Australia country, then I put it in Australia when I call scraping Australia here. Then this gonna get data in HTML format and do the a nice format, get the data, get the date, get the number of cases, and then combine it to total number of cases. Then it's gonna close the browser, and then it's gonna do the return. So if no data return, like we pass in incorrect format of the country name, incorrect country name, then it's gonna show as no result. For example, if I put in New Zealand without dash, then it can't find that, it will show as no result. So the last step will be the one that sending the message. So it's gonna call the this function to the Song line to send the message, but you need to pass a token from line, the token that you generate to send to that group. Then you put the token here, and then the message will call send line message to that token to that group. So you paste and then save your token code here. Then the message gonna be scraping and then call the country. For example, I'm sending to I'm scraping data from Australia and New Zealand. Alright, I'm just gonna call another. I'm gonna do the resize screen so that I can run my. It's gonna be the same script, but I have my token ID there. So I'm just gonna run. When I run, it will open the first one for Australia, and then it will close. Okay, that will be sent. So that one for Australia is sent. So this one for New Zealand, next. So New Zealand sent. That's gonna be what I would like to show you today, and I hope everyone stays safe and look after yourself and your family. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.